Hi friends, how are you? Hope you are fine and happy. Thank you so much for your love and support. As you know, we have been learning to ask WH questions on different structures. Today we are going to learn the questions on past perfect sentences. In past perfect WH questions, we use the required WH word before the helping verb had. Then comes the subject, then the third form of the verb, and then the other part of the sentence.
Hi John. Hey Shivani. Today we will go through some more questions on past perfect sentences which will help our dear viewer to communicate fluently.
Yeah, I am always happy to do that. Let's start.
What had you taken in your dinner last night?
Bread and chicken curry.
Why had they come?
They were asking about your friend.
Where had Tina left her mobile phone yesterday?
That was in her friend's study room.
Who had cooked the fish curry? That was delicious.
My younger sister. She cooks well. She has learned cooking from her Tamil friends.
Whose books had you brought last year?
My brother's friend had given. But I have returned.
Why had they taken our ladder?
They had some work on the terrace.
Who had told you to remove the chairs from that room?
Father had told yesterday. He wants to use the room for his new project.
Whom had you given the responsibility of the function?
No one. You and I will have to manage everything.
Who had called for the fees?
I think the accountant. I don't recognize his voice.
Where had the students gone for excursion last year?
They had gone to Mangalore.
Which house had you chosen to buy?
That big yellow building. But my parents didn't agree for the high cost.
Why had you gone to her office today?
I wanted to know about her colleagues.
Where had you taken your children last evening?
We had gone to that new park.
Who had not brought lunch box today?
No one had brought. They all expected a party from your side.
Why had you not told about your problem to your parents before?
I thought they knew.
How had you come? By bus or train?
I had come by train. Teen journey is more comfortable.
Who had given you money for admission last time?
I had taken from my brother.
Why hadn't he come to Liza's birthday party?
He was out of town. He came back today.
How many rooms had you cleaned for the guests?
2 big rooms. They were only 4.
How much money had you borrowed at the time of your house construction?
10 lakhs. I have already paid.
Thank you, dear friends, for watching till the end. Please share the video to everyone you know so that they will also watch and learn. Subscribe the channel for regular videos. Be happy and keep healthy. Bye for now.